You might have seen this meme before. Someone saying, Claude Code is insane. Check out what I built. And it's just a link to localhost. Well, I'm going to show you how you can go from an app that you built locally with Claude Code to a live deployed app. And for that, I'll be using Railway. Let's get into it. Right now, I'm in my terminal. On the left, I have Claude Code running. And on the right, I have a local development server that's running my app locally. It's running at localhost 3000. If I open the link, this is what we're working with. This is a simple Hello World app. You literally just get a button, you click it, you get a response. And our goal essentially is to take this app that's running only on my machine, have it deployed live at a URL that anyone can access. Now, the good thing is this is a simple app, but regardless of what you're building, you can just have everything on Railway. Front end, back end, databases, object storage, whatever it is, you could just have everything in one place. Now, the first step, you'll need to actually set up the Railway agent skills. And in case you're unfamiliar, agent skills essentially allow you to teach Claude Code a certain workflow. And the agent skill just teaches Claude Code everything there is to know about Railway, how to work with deployments, troubleshooting issues, having stuff set up, secrets, all this stuff, just automatically Claude Code will be able to know it. And you can just use natural language to interact with the infrastructure that's going to be powering your app. Now, when it comes to setup for Claude Code, you literally just need to run 2 commands. I'll leave a link down below, but you just need the first command, which will add the Railway plugin marketplace. You paste it, it's going to add it. You can see successfully added marketplace Railway skills. And then the second step is just to run the command that will install the Railway plugin, which is just the Railway agent skill. So we copy it, go back, paste it. And now it's saying, make sure you trust the plugin before installing. That's fine. And then you get to choose where you want to choose. You get to choose where you want to install the plugin. So you can install it just for you, user scope, but this will make the plugin available across all projects. You can have it available only on this project for all people, or just available for this project, but just for you. We'll just go with the first option to install for you, user scope. And that's it. Now, all we need to do is restart Claude Code to load new plugins. So I'll hit Control-C twice. And then I'll just start Claude again once this is ready. So I'll just hit Claude. And once Claude starts, essentially now we'll have the Railway skill set up for us, and we can just have it take care of everything when it comes to Railway. Now, I actually have removed everything Railway related from my machine so that I show you the experience that you'll get. So if you do /Railway, you have actually a use Railway skill, and you can hit enter, which will load the skill. And Claude Code will ask us what it should do. So it's first checking our Railway setup. I don't have the Railway CLI installed. I'm not logged in. So it's going to first install the Railway CLI. It's asking us how to install it. Shell script is the recommended approach. Whatever, I believe it might not work, but again, it will just figure things out because it's saying a terminal is required. You need to set up a password, but again, you can just ignore all of this stuff. Claude Code will just figure out the setup for us. And it's saying the Railway CLI is installed successfully. Now we need to log in. Now, to log in with the Railway CLI, you should actually do it in a separate tab, because when you run Railway login, it will ask you to open the browser. You should hit Y, which is yes. And then you're going to be logged in if you're already logged in into your Railway account. So you can sign up for Railway for free. And then once you're logged in the browser in your Railway account, then on your machine, when you run Railway login with the CLI, you'll just be redirected. You'll be good to go. And that's it. And now that's pretty much everything you need to do when it comes to setting up Railway. And now we can just say deploy this current project and give it a domain. So what should happen now is it's going to use the Railway agent skill to just figure out how to deploy the app, give it a domain, and if there are more stuff, like for example, like, hey, we want to create a database and be able to create it for us. And yeah, you can see here it's saying, good, you're authenticated. So I'm just gonna wait. It might take like a minute or two for Claude to figure things out, get everything ready. but once we're done, it should just figure things out. If there are any necessary code changes, Claude Code will make it. And if, let's say, something goes wrong, Claude Code will be able to check what's going on wrong and kind of like self-correct. And in the end, you'll just have a live deployed app. We can see deployment is in progress and is going to check the status. And it's even waiting for the build to finish. Give it a domain. We see deployment is live and it's going to even verify that it's responding. It's saying everything is deployed and healthy. Here's the summary. We can go to this link and we are live. And that's it. This is all you need to do in terms of setup. And now you can take the apps that you built locally with Claude Code live to production. Now, if you have any questions or run into any issues, literally tag me, reach out down below. Would love to hear from you. Would love to help out. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.